Alright, this is a really cool compact gun. It comes in a very nice case, so if you have more than one case, you just pop this out and you can stack cases. I like that. It's really well made. Take out the clamps. Open it. And inside, you'll get your instructions. You'll get the charger, 2 batteries, and then your impact guns, which impact bolts. These are usually the size of your tires, so this is like the 21s. This is the 23 millimeters, and then this one's the 22. So here's your brushless impact. It's really nice. I love the color combo of this. It's a really nice balance impact gun. And so you simply slide in this 20 volt lithium battery. Simply slide it in. And there you go. Feels really nice in the hand, and the weight balance is really nice. This is overall a very nice compact impact gun.